YouTube, what's up guys? How we doing? It's been a while. This is a talking video. Okay, car channel. So this is Mitch Dore's car channel. I love you guys. Appreciate all your support all the years. I've been doing YouTube a really long time. That being said, I got a lot of cars here. I have a decent amount of cars. We got the Tundra over here. Everyone loves this build. This is one of my most, on this channel, like my second or third most famous video is installing, I can't remember what it was, a part on this. Maybe, oh, it was a radio, the stereo. But that being said, I got some cars that I'm thinking about doing liquidation, AKA selling some stuff. Okay, this one is not gonna be for sale. I'm treating like my MR2 replacement. I don't know if you guys know this, but I had a 2ZZ MR2 SPYDER with a 2ZZ, a turbo, and a hard top and fresh paint job, and it's black and red. Like all my cars are black and red, obviously. This one's amazing. Look at this interior. Whew, so sick. But that being said, I'm thinking about selling some stuff. So currently I have, you know, this beautiful Exige. I've been daily driving the Exige. I mean, look at the weather here. Washington finally showed up. It's June. It only took half the entire year to have good weather here. But I've been daily driving this thing. It has new tires. The tires are amazing. Revs to 8,500 RPMs. This is a non-supercharged version. So they just call it an Exige, and it's not an Exige S. Here is my cash off RS. It's because it had a tree fall on it, so it has a rebuilt title. It actually had a salvage title when I bought it, and then I had to get it rebuilt, which actually was some effort. I didn't know it was going to be so much effort, but it turned out looking really, really good. It has a whole bunch of stuff done to it. It has the 5-axis body kit to it. It's lowered on HR springs, I think. It has the 2024 GR86 wheel spacers. Yeah, the 5-axis body kit. Has some, I think I can't remember the brand of these, Spec D headlights. They're okay, it came with the car. It has the OEM wing spoiler on the back. I love the tail lights, they're my favorite. Has a works exhaust. One of the other cool things about this one is that I ended up purchasing the GR86, maybe it's a TRD. Black and red OEM steering wheel. My favorite part of this whole car. 6-speed manual. I just did a clutch job on it. I showed you guys how to do it. I did it myself. So it has a new clutch on it, so it runs really well. And then over here is my infamous, super famous Toyota Celica GTS. This is a 2ZZ turboed car with front wheel drive, 6-speed manual, leather interior. It has a comp clutch on it, stage 2. It has a new steering wheel as well. I love that one on MITSUBISHI.com. This is like the ultimate Celica build. I love this car. It has BRZ STI wheels with wheel spacers pushed out a little bit. Has new tires on it. It has the OEM factory kit. The whole kit is OEM from Toyota. It's a 2004, so you can get that in the year 2004. The wheels are amazing, the tires are good. It has a TRD exhaust that's connected to the entire turbo kit. If you guys don't know, I have a whole 7-part series of this. It's like my famous car. Black two-toned roof, which I love. I'll pop up in the hood for you so you guys can see it because everyone loves it. I really like that shift knob on this car. I've actually so I originally bought this car. I'll tell a story about that. I'll tell about the buy and selling. But I'm thinking about liquidating some stuff today, and I'll tell you why. And then as for you guys, I know your answer's already gonna be, but I do want you guys' opinions with the comment section below. Okay, so 2ZZ, well, I guess you guys can only see because the sun's on half of it, but 2ZZ turboed right there. It's amazing. It has the AEM. Everyone asked about this. I need to make a video just for this. AEM computer. It's an FIC, which is fuel injector control on there. It's amazing. So this car is pretty special and unique. I think it's one of something. It's like 1 of 12, I think is what it is. Why? Because it's ardent red. So it's like the really Ferrari red. It's a Lotus LSS package, but it's a non-Exige S package because they didn't make it in 2006. So it's just rare. Even though it's like not the faster version, it's like the slower version that doesn't have the supercharger that makes it even more rare. I just love the car. I think the aesthetic on it is cream of the crop. Also, it's the only car that I have currently where the roof totally comes off, and believe it or not, I never thought I would say this because I like grew up being like, you can't have convertibles because convertibles are for weird people. So I love convertibles. I'm a big convertible guy, that being said. I really am. Anywho, so here are all the cars. These are the cars, and then of course we have the Tundra. Here's what I'm thinking. I found an EVORA, a Lotus EVORA. I've already owned a Lotus EVORA. I owned a Starlight Black Lotus EVORA. It had a lot of issues. I made a video about Lotus, lots of trouble, usually serious. It was my fault. I bought a car that had 50-something thousand miles on it. I should have known that it was going to need a new clutch, and then just had a bunch of issues on it. And I just assumed it was 50,000 miles, it'll be fine. Well, it's a specialty car. Anywho, that being said, I want another one. I've always wanted another one. So I got the FRS and the Celica. I think I'm going to sell maybe both of those and take the proceeds, the money from those, and buy the EVORA that I found. Here's the deal. I found this EVORA. It has such good history of it. What do I mean by that? It's, one, affordable. It's a good deal. That's the biggest thing. It's a good deal. Two, it's red. It has gold wheels. Well, that's kind of crazy. 3, it's a manual transmission. And 4, it's an EVORA 400, not the non-400. So I really want it because it's not the EVORA S or just the EVORA NA. It's a 2017 EVORA 400, but it's still a lot of money. And they're like sub supercars, but above sports cars. They're like in this really cool spot, and the aesthetics on it is more unique than both of these cars. These are both of these are sports cars. That's one of the issues, is that both of these are sports cars. They're not supercars or exotics, but they're both just sports cars. And I know the EVORA is not a supercar or an exotic, but it has like, it feels like that way. And so if I can get rid of these two, I can have the means to get the EVORA 400. So I think I'm gonna do that. Please comment down below if you guys think I should do that. This car is just, it's like, I shouldn't sell it because it's such like the epitome of my car, but there's a lot of interest in people wanting to buy it. So I put this one up for sale. A lot of people want to buy this one. And then I got a lot of people that want to buy the Cash FRS. And then these two combined make it reasonable for me to buy the EVORA. So can you guys just imagine a dream with me? And then please comment down below what you think. That means there'd be no more FRS content, which has never done really well on the channel, but I wish it did better. But can you just imagine having the Exige taillights and the EVORA taillights in the garage, and then have them matching, like both red? Whew. The other thing that I like about the EVORA is it's really comfortable. It's actually, I think it's more comfortable than both of those cars. I really do think it's more comfortable than both of those. And then it has 400 horsepower. This has 205, that has 275. So it's like combining both those horsepower. So I think I want the EVORA. So, and I can make a YouTube channel. Of course, I already have one. I can make more YouTube content about the EVORA and more Lotus stuff. It's just one I really, really want. It's a want, not a need. And instead of buying like I don't know, I've been looking at like cheaper cars, like an Eclipse or something like that, or a Talon or another Evo. Instead of buying like kind of like the same JDM stuff, go for another higher class of the Lotus is what I want to do. So you should comment down below. What should I do? Should I sell these two cars? The Exige is not for sale. I love it too much. I mean, look at it. The Exige is not for sale. The FRS is for sale. My wife wants to keep the FRS because she likes to drive it. It's kind of fun, so maybe I need to keep it because I got such a good deal on that one. And then the story about the Celica that I want to sell is I bought that car I think in 2001. Or I mean 2021. And I paid for a good deal on it. It was a hunk of junk. It had a lot of things wrong with it. I got the hood painted, the front bumper painted, the roof painted. I built the whole car with you guys on YouTube, and then I turboed it. After putting a new motor in it. I put a new motor in it, I forgot I did that, and a bunch of good stuff in it. And then I turboed it, and then I sold it. And I sold it to a guy that had like an 80s Celica and he wanted it. Well, I already told this story that he didn't drive it very much. I think he drove like 900 miles in a year. And then he put it up for sale, and then I bought it back, and now we're here. And so I'm thinking about selling it and the FRS to get the EVORA. I don't think I could have all 4 cars again. I just think it's like maybe liquidate, even though I've had 5 cars at one time. I just don't think I can have all 4 at one time right now. I think I'm just gonna do the 2 Lotuses. I think that's a good idea. If I can't get the price for the 2, I'll just keep these 2 and the Exige and then see what I want to do. But I feel like I should get a cool car for the summer on the channel. So comment down below, help me make a decision. I really appreciate you guys. Check out my website, MITSUBISHI.com. I'm going to be changing some spark plugs on this pretty soon here, so you guys will see a video for that. Doing some other little maintenance things on the Exige. I still haven't taken the Celica to a drag strip, which I probably should do that right before I sell it. But it might be gone today, so we'll see. Like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. Let me know what I should do. See you guys on the next video.